हेलो व्यूअर्स, नमस्कार। वर्षास वर्सेटाइल चैनल में आप सबका स्वागत है। आज इस वीडियो में हम बनाने जा रहे हैं वाइट चिकपीस काबुली चना पैटीज। चलिए शुरू करते हैं काबुली चने के पैटीज। बिफोर वी स्टार्ट प्रिपेयरिंग द चिकपीस काबुली चना पैटीज, let's gather the other ingredients too. Mashed white chana 1 cup, mashed potatoes 2 to 3, breadcrumbs 2 tablespoons, chopped onion handful, green chilies 1 teaspoon, ginger 1 teaspoon, garlic paste 2 teaspoons, coriander leaves handful, turmeric powder 3/4 teaspoon, red chili powder half teaspoon, chole masala powder 1 teaspoon, dry mango powder 1 teaspoon, pepper powder half teaspoon, chaat masala powder 1 teaspoon, hing 1/4 teaspoon, salt 1 teaspoon, white sesame 1 teaspoon, carom and cumin seeds 1 teaspoon, oil for frying. Take 2 cups of kabuli chana or chickpeas in a bowl or utensil and soak them in water for 7 to 8 hours. Cook the kabuli chana in the pressure cooker along with 2 to 3 potatoes. When the chickpeas and potatoes are cooked, remove it from the pressure cooker. Peel the skin of the potatoes and drain the water from the chickpeas kabuli chana. Mash the potatoes and keep it aside. Pour the boiled chickpeas chana into a blender and grind it to a coarse paste. Transfer the paste into a container and set it aside. Add the mashed potatoes with the chickpeas chana paste and combine well. The chopped ginger, chilies, onions and garlic paste along with the ground chana paste. Add all the ingredients and spices into the paste. Give a good mix and incorporate all the ingredients with the chickpeas paste. Sprinkle a handful of coriander leaves into the mixture. Shape the chickpeas mixture into balls, flatten it like a patties and coat it with breadcrumbs. Heat the oil in the pan. drop the patties gently into the oil. Flip the patties on either side to get a golden brown color and crispy texture. You can also shallow fry these patties with less oil. Remove from the oil and serve it hot with chutney, dip or a sauce. Enjoy this tasty, nourished, protein-rich chickpeas channa patties along with a cup of tea or coffee as a breakfast or as an evening snack. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, viewers. अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद है तो like, comment and subscribe कीजिए. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and relatives. Thanks for joining me, viewers. I shall meet you with another recipe soon. Till then, happy cooking and bye.